Guys, welcome back. In this video we're going to discuss all about how to design the headphone page. So I designed the complete home page right now, as you can see inside my screen. So we need to design the headphone page, so I'm going to click on that. Right now this is the default have empty, but we will design it. So I go to my code editor and I have a headphone.html page. Inside that I already mentioned the links like style.css, mobile.css, and also tablet.css. And also I have a content that we're gonna use it inside the headphone page. And right now this is style.css file, right? So first of all, I need to get the navbar, right? So I'm gonna get the complete header tag like this one, and I'm gonna paste inside there. So we need to save it, and let's look at that. So this is the right now, but also I need to change the title, like this will be headphone e-commerce, right? Save and right. The next thing we need to change this one content, right? Because this is the home page section, we need to design only on the headphone page. So I need to change this one header tag to section and assign the ID will be header. So we need to save it, and let's look at that, right? So don't worry, we will design it. The next thing we need to change it, we need to change like this one. This is a showcase content, but I need to change it as a text content. So I'm gonna get it and I'm gonna paste it. We need to just display the in a minute. I'll remove this one content, and also this. Just leave the only h2 tag, and I'm gonna change it as a headphone. Right, so we need to save it, and let's look at that. Right, so headphone and the links and so on and so forth. So we need to move on the CSS. In the CSS, in a minute we need to design it few things. So I have a comment, and the first thing you need to select your header ID, and there you need to use background color var dark black color, and I need to assign the height 50 VH. So we need to save it, and let's look at that. Right, so this is 50 VH height of the section. Then I need to select the complete navbar content. So in a minute I will get, no, I go to top, and yeah, this one content, I'm gonna get complete this content like this area, and I'm gonna paste it. We need to change the first one header tag to header ID, right? So paste, and paste. Also we need to paste it right, so we need to save it, and let's look at that. Yeah, great. So this is the home page, this is the right now, but we need to design the text that will appear inside there. So we need to select the, in a minute, header. Inside that I have a text content there. Inside that I have a h2, so I need to use font size is 5M, color is white. So we need to save, and yeah, the content is up here, but we need to display that in the center of the page, right? So I need to select only on this one section, and I'm gonna use display flags, text align center, justify corner center, and we need to save it. And let's see, right? But I want to move this one in the center, so I need to use hide 30 VH. Save, and in a minute, align it on center. So we need to save it, and look at that. This is my headphone page, and this is my home page, right? So home page and headphone page. So let's move on the next section. So yeah, I'm gonna select the outside of this one, and I'm gonna add the article. The div is headphones. Select the container. Inside the container I will use the headphones, right? And I'm gonna add the two sections, left side and right side. In the left side I will display the image, in the right side I will display the content. So let's see, left side, and also I will add the product name. So I'm gonna get the product name is from there. So first of all I'm gonna select the headphone Mark II like this one. So I'm gonna get it, XX Mark II, get it, and I'm gonna paste on there, right? And inside that I will use the few things. So just a minute, I'm gonna leave this one. So I will add the, in a minute, where it is here. So I will use X Mark II. I'm gonna use P, class is the level, and I'm gonna use new product. Product name is X Mark II, and that is headphone. So I'm gonna get it, paste on there, and I'm gonna get this one and use another H2 tag, paste on there. This is also headphone. Then we need to get the content from there. So the content is where? Okay, from here to here, paste. And after the paragraph tag I'm going to use button tag, classes btn, primary btn, and yeah, I'm going to use type is button. Inside that I'm going to add the anchor link. The anchor link I will assign the particular page name. The particular page name is XX Mark II headphone. So XX XX Mark II.html page. So inside the anchor link I will display the content name like C product. So this is our first section, and no guys, in a minute. So I'm gonna get this one, complete content, and inside this one section I will display the image. The image is coming from my assets and shared desktop, and the image name is image XX Mark II. So we need to create another section. So right side XX9 99 and Mark II, right? We need to paste that. So I'm going to use similar name on there, this left side, and I'll get it, and I'm going to paste on there, right? So we need to save, and let's look at that. The image, content, and also button has been appeared. So let's move on the CSS. We need to design that. So I'm going to get the comment like this one. So I'm going to use it, add form product section. So inside that we need to design few things that will help you to design the complete this one section. So step number one, you need to select the headphones, and you need to make a space top and bottom. So I'm going to use padding top and bottom 4 and left and right 0, and also I will use the margin top to make a space is 10. So we need to save and look at that. Then we need to select the headphones. This is a class, by the way. Inside the class I will use the margin top 6 rem, and also first I'm gonna leave the other things. Select the headphones. Inside that have an anchor link, so I'm gonna use color is white. So inside the anchor link have a color is white like this one, right? So we need to select the headphones. Inside that have a headphone class. So inside the headphones I have two sections. first I'm going to leave the index.html page. So this is our first section, the next one section. So we need to divide it using CSS grid system. So I'm going to use display grid template column repeat to 1fr align item center, and I need to add the gap of each box 10. So we need to save it, and I need to check that. This is headphone. Okay, yeah, the content is appear left side and right side. So, and yeah, great. So I need to select the headphones. Inside that I need to select the headphone class. Headphone, what happened? Headphone dot headphones left side. I'm gonna get the complete class from there, like this one. right? And also have a title as a speaker. In the speaker page we need to design the few things, so I'm gonna leave that. So I'm gonna get the article, that is article by the way, and I'm gonna add the speaker. and I'm gonna change this one, right side underscore ZX7 speed. content.md file, right? So I open that, and right now this is my header section, or you can say it the tab section, right? Once we done that, then the next thing we need to design our header section. So I'm gonna get the header and I'm gonna paste the header because I need to display the menus. Paste on there. So we need to save, and right now the menus are up here, but I need to only enable the navbars. I don't like that to display the showcase and so on and so forth. So what I need to do on there, I'm gonna use the section, and ID I will assign that as a header product, right? So we need to save, and we don't need to display that like this one showcase. I'm gonna leave that save, and yeah, the content is up here, but we need to design it using CSS. So I'm gonna leave it and go to style.css. Inside that I need to select my navbar. In a minute I will just get the content, similar content, and just we need to paste it. So in a minute I'm gonna get it that navbar content like this one. So I'm gonna get it and I'm gonna paste on there, and we need to select header product, dot plague save, and we need to change this one content, this one also. So one by one I'm going to paste it. So we need to save, and let's look at that, right? But I need to remove this one line, so I'm going to remove this one line. So yeah, great. So this is Mark 2, only nearby is up here, right? Great. Then the next thing we need to design, in a minute I'm gonna, okay, that's my mistake guys, I need to cut that and I'm gonna paste it inside the showcase and get it, paste on there, right? So I'm gonna create another section. I'll write the article product details page. Inside that I will use the container. Inside the container I will use headphones, because I will create a mini content inside the headphones. So I will use similar way to decide the left and right side content. So inside that I'm going to use left side underscore xx mark 2. So I'm going to add the image. The image came from my asset shared desktop image xx mark 2, right? So that will help us to display the image in the left side. But also we need to create another div xx mark 2. This is right side. In the right side I will use the image. I'm gonna check that. Let's send it. Yeah. And inside that I have a pro images class. Inside that I have an image. So I'm gonna assign the width 650 pixel, and also I will assign the height 350 pixel. Last thing I'm gonna add it margin bottom to make a space of the images that contains in the left side, right? So each image size, this is by the way left side image, I do not assign the size of the right side. So I will fix that by using CSS. So I'm gonna get the same thing and I'm gonna change it to the right side. I need to change the height only, leave the other stuff, and I'm gonna change the height is 720 pixel. So we need to save, and okay, something is wrong guys. Okay, pro images img. Okay, I'm gonna check it. Right side. Okay, here is mistake. Right side. Right now, as you can see guys, So this is our another section. So I hope you understood as well all about it. So thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. Hey guys, welcome back. So let's add another feature inside the section. Like you may also like and display the different type of products. So I go to the HTML file outside of the product image. I will use the may also like this ID, use the container, and I'm going to use h2 and write the text to you now also like. Then I'm going to use product image. I'm going to use img wrapper, and I will create a more than 3 boxes. On each box I will display the image, content and link, right? So I will create a boxes. On each box I will display the image. The image is coming from my assets, shared desktop, and that is image xx59 mark. I'm going to display the mark 1 because this is mark 2 page, so I need to display the mark 1 and also 59 and so on. Right, cool. Then I'll use the h3 and write the product name xx99 mark 1. Then I will display the button tag, button anchor link. Inside the anchor link I will use the product xx99 mark 1 page. So I will use cmore and write the few things inside the button, like type is button, class I'm going to use btn, primary btn. So we need to save, and look at that. Yeah, great. Don't worry, we will design it. So I need to create a more than 3 boxes. So I'm going to get this box, paste it second time. In the second time I need to change it xx59, and that is image shared. So I'm going to change it to image 59 and 59, yeah, and that is box 3. I'm gonna get it. In the box 3 I need to display only the what I'm going to display the speaker on there, ZX9 speaker. Okay, also I need to change this one link as well, 59. So product I'm going to use 59, and that is our ZX speaker. So I'm going to change the image like ZX9, and also I'm going to change the page. Note the page is product ZX9, right? And yeah, have a product, yeah, save, and look at that guys, 3 boxes. Yeah, great. So let's move on the CSS. In the CSS we will use the display property flex. I think, yeah, I'm gonna use that. and I'm gonna use font size is 2.5 and also I'll use the margin top and bottom 2, left and right 0. So we need to save and look at that, and I want to move the content of buttons that the next, and I'm gonna paste on. And like this one page. So we will use same tactics to create that page. So I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste on there. I'm going to cut the content and I'm going to paste. So we need to get the code from my previous file, mark 1 file, and after this one I'm gonna paste on there. Then we need to change the images like this one, this one, this one. So I need to just add one. Page no, I think we have successfully designed 3 sections. So in the headphones we have designed the first one, yeah, and mark X1. Great. So guys, this is the final page. So yeah, I have been facing issue on there. So we will design it as a responsive, but before designing the responsiveness we need to design another page like a checkout page and so many other pages. So thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.